up next. Not sure what to do with your career in this tough economy? Well, why not look into something in healthcare with a chance to get free tuition and a special training program? Details in minutes. Plus, have you... Welcome back, everyone. In this recession, it has been hard for many people to find a new job, a new career. But the medical field will always be a career field in need. Have you ever thought about being a nurse? And do you know what it takes? Here to help answer those questions and more, Abed Osman, administrator from Alia Healthcare, and instructor Sandra Weher. Thank you both so much for being here. And it is true, Abed. I mean, you know, we all know that people get sick. They're going to constantly need care. It is almost recession-proof, the healthcare industry.
Absolutely. You know, just short of being recession-proof, it's one of those careers that you can always apply to a lot of different settings, whether it be nursing or home health care or working in the hospital. I think it's learning basic patient care is one of those things that I think all people going into healthcare would benefit greatly from doing.
And you have a nurse's aide program.
Sure do.
Explain what that entails.
The Nurses Aide program is a 75-hour program approved. The curriculum is approved through the Ohio Department of Health, and you take that either as a 2-week day class, which is a full-time program from us, or a 3-week evening class for those who work.
So that's fast. I mean,
Absolutely.
You can really have a new career quickly.
Absolutely. You know, for those who just don't have the luxury, you know, if you're a working adult or you're looking for a career change and you just don't have the luxury of a 10-week, program at a community college, or even, a 2-year program for an associate's degree, and are looking to jump into the workforce, this is a great way to do it. So this program, after the completion of the 75-hour program, you receive a certificate, which then allows you to sit for the state exam. And once you pass that, you then become eligible to work in either, you get your STNA, which stands for State Tested Nurse Aide, and that's a
They could work at a hospital?
They can work at a hospital, they could work in a nursing home, they can apply that in the home health setting, pretty much anywhere where there is patient care, direct patient care, involved. Things like taking vitals, blood pressure, respiration, pulse, temperature, doing height weights.
Well, Sandra, let me ask you, as an instructor, what do these folks learn in that 2 to 3 week term? Do they actually get hands-on experience?
Absolutely. Part of the program is skills in our laboratory, and then they have 16 clinical hours in an actual facility that they apply it to residents. And
what are some of those skills? What will they learn?
We learn about 30 skills, give or take a couple. They can be tested on any 5 of the 25 outlined by the Ohio Department of Health, and they learn things about how to make a bed with a patient lying in it. Perhaps the patient can't get out of bed. How to safely transfer a patient from bed to a wheelchair, how to help them walk safely, how to help them dress. There's several residents who need help being fed, so they learn how to safely feed residents and how to make sure that they receive the right meal tray. And so it's basically teaching them the basic skills on how to provide safe, effective care to our aging population who really need that care.
Yeah, and there are a lot of aging boomers. And I bet you have a scholarship. Tell me about that and how some of our viewers might be able to apply to that.
Yes. The scholarship program is our way of sort of contributing to, this sort of lackluster economy, so to speak. So for those, the program is normally $500, $495, and that is not a huge amount, but definitely it's one that for some people is difficult to kind of swallow, especially if you're looking for a job and you don't currently have one. So we thought, why don't we give an opportunity for one, person who is able to, express themselves in an essay in written format.
Okay, so it's an essay way to apply.
It's an essay, yes, absolutely. And you get basically one free ride. You will get the tuition, the uniform, all your testing and your training fees, and the theme of the essay is Healing Hands Making a Difference. And that's sort of the focus of the essay. And anyone needs clarification on it or more points on it, they can certainly call in and find out more about it.
And we will have all that information on our daytime website. It's a pleasure to talk to both of you, and it's great that you're offering that to the community, I bet. Thanks much.
Thank you very much.